morning. Good morning, YouTube. Just waking up. Well, not just waking up. I've been up for a couple of hours. Got some stuff on my mind that I gotta try to take care of. Gotta take care of it some kind of way. I don't know. Anyhow, gotta go to work in a little while too. So I don't know. Ain't been sleeping too hot. Ain't been sleeping too hot. You know what I mean? Been working on the video at the same time. Trying to figure out how I want to get it done. So that been kind of a bother me at the same time. Y'all got to forgive me. I'm tired but not sleepy. I don't know how that works, but I'm tired but not sleepy. I don't know. I gotta put a video together that I should be doing right now, but I ain't even did it yet. My homegirl, I got a video that I need to put together and put up. Cause I ain't even put it up yet. I got it done, I just ain't edited it and nothing yet. I don't know what I'm waiting on. I need to go ahead and do that. I need to do that. But anyway, I'm gonna do a unboxing of AT&T I'm gonna do an unboxing of this cell phone. I just haven't did it yet. It came in the mail. I had it now for about 4 weeks maybe. I didn't want to do it when I first got it because I wanted to go ahead and use it so I could see what it do and what it don't do and what's good and what's bad about it. So I haven't did that. Well, I've been using it just to see what it can do. So I haven't did a unboxing of it yet, but I'm going to. It's a nice phone. I don't want to say how I don't want to say. Well, I can say how I got it, but I don't want to say the company's name or anything yet because I have to do the unboxing. I think what they're gonna do is I think this is something that might be a giveaway. I was supposed to get a different kind of phone, but I end up getting this one. So I don't know the scenario of of why I got this phone or not. So I'm gonna do I was trying to wait to do the unboxing of this phone, but I don't know. I'm debating on should I do it so I can show you how it look. That's why I'm not showing you. I'm just showing you the box. So like I say, I've been trying to debate because I got an email that they were supposed to send me the correct cell phone. So just like I said, I'm just trying to wait to see if the other phone comes back. But this is a nice phone. Hold on for a second. I don't know. My eyes might be playing tricks on me. Anyhow, I don't want to unbox it yet until I get the other one, just to make sure. So, meanwhile, I'm just going to ride with it. Excuse me for the darkness. But yeah, I'm just going to ride with it until I can, I know for sure which one. That's why I've been kind of debating on doing an unboxing, because I've been trying to make sure it was the right one to do. Anyway, I'll get back with y'all in a second. I got some stuff that I need to do. So let me do what I got to do first, and then I'll get back with y'all in a second. I'm back, you guys. Gotta get my coffee on. You know how that go. I was in here doing my video this morning, and I noticed that I missed something, so I had to end up doing one of my little skits. I had to do it over again. So I was trying to get it together, but it seems like what I'm doing and how I'm doing it it's going to take a minute. So I end up got to do the thing all over again. I like this camera, boy. This thing here is raw. This one and my other camera, I like a lot. I use this one. I use this camera more than I use my other camera, because this is lightweight, but it's doable. It do everything I need it to do, and when I need it to do. So I end up doing my last little bit of shot that I messed up. Well, not messed up, but I just didn't like it, so I ended up doing it again. I finally got my monitors to work again on my game channel, so I got my 2 monitors back up, which I'm glad, because they was really pissing me off because I only had one working, and I finally got both of them to work, so that's a plus. So I'm going to do a vlog on that channel probably tonight, but I gotta go ahead and finish up my daily vlog, and then do some other things. So I'm gonna go ahead and drink my coffee, and go ahead and get my day started, because I'm up and it's like almost 6 o'clock, so in the morning. So that's how I do. I see y'all in a few. Peace. What's going on? What's evening? Get myself ready to go to work. Just got through uploading the video. It's about to go up. It's about to go up, so look out for Homegirl video. Yeah, sinus acting out. Anyway, well, I took a little nap, but it didn't work. But anyhow, you guys, the Homegirl video should be up a little bit. I'll show y'all a little example. This is the phone that I'm talking about. Um, it's a real nice phone. Does what it have to do. So, anyway, yeah, see, I can do two different things at one time, and it folds up. So, it's new. Anyhow, hold on for a second.
That is for you, right?
Yeah.
Why does it have I-9 forms and direct deposit forms?
Oh, because you know everybody do direct deposit now. They don't do no.
I know, but like, you know, you don't usually fill out that paperwork unless you're hired first. Oh, I'm already hired.
Did you fill it out? You did all of it? Alright. Write that number down on there and the address on the top. Write that down on a piece of paper. Call her tomorrow and tell them your dad sent you.
So, you gonna give that to them?
Yeah, let me finish this vlog right quick.
Alright.
Anyhow, that's my daughter. Y'all ain't seen her in a while. But she over here to the house. Anyhow. Oh. Getting rough. I don't know what's going on. Not feeling myself. Been like this for a couple of days, matter of fact, to be honest. I hope this homegirl video come out right. Cause it's still loading up. Anyhow, I'm about to go ahead and get myself together. I'm finna walk out the door. This is my vlog for today. And I'll holler at y'all when it can. Like always, see me on the vlog. Peace. What's going on? What's going on? Doing another vlog for the day. And everything. Yeah, I'm doing a vlog for the day. Vlog for the day. For the vlog for the day. Been jumping around, doing stuff. So this vlog maybe not even where it need to be, but I got to do one anyway. I'm gonna try to get myself back on schedule so I can do my vlog like I'm supposed to. I've been missing vlogs here and there. Try to get back on schedule of doing my vlogs like I'm supposed to, and get my videos back on schedule. Been trying to get a good I'm trying to find a good time to start doing my vlogs, because I since I done went back to work and I'm on a day shift, it's been kind of hard to do my vlogs on the day shift because I have to be to work at 9 o'clock in the morning some days. Some days I got to be to work at 5 in the morning, you know, and then some days I have to work the overnight. So it's been kind of hard putting the videos together and doing them because of my time frame that I have to be to work. So I'm going to try to find a schedule that works with me so I can do my vlogs like I'm supposed to and get them back up to par. So you guys just please bear with me for a bit, and I'm going to try to get it done, and so I can be back on schedule like I used to be. I got some new stuff that I want to do. It's always something new. But anyway, I got a little something new that I want to try doing. It's just a problem of trying to put it in the schedule to do it. So I'm going to try my best to get her done as best as I can. Know what I mean? Anyhow, this was my vlog for tonight. It's short. It is what it is. So you guys just, yeah, I know. Bear with me, and I'm gonna try to do my best and get everything taken care of the way it's supposed to be. But like always, you guys.